In this video, I will show you how to perform step 1 of the Connect box setup, connecting and registering your Connect box with LEIBINGER Connect via LTE. Network settings in a local network can vary greatly. If you encounter problems setting up the Connect box, please contact your company's network specialist. You need a computer with a network connection. The computer's network connection must be set to DHCP. If you encounter problems establishing a connection, disable the Wi-Fi on your computer. You also need one free connection for your local network. Make sure that the connection allows access to the internet. First, you have to prepare the LTE stick. Insert the SIM card into the LTE stick. Now open the Connect box housing. Connect the Connect box to the power supply using the power adapter provided. Insert the LTE stick into the port USB 1. Connect the computer's network connection to configuration port A on the Connect box. Open the browser on your computer and enter the IP address 192.168.0.1 in the address bar. The login window for the Connect box user interface will appear. Log in with the username and password of the Connect box. You will find both on the type label on the back of the Connect box. The dashboard with the status of the Connect box will appear. On the left-hand side, you will find instructions for setting up the Connect box. On the right-hand side, you will see the activation status of the Connect box and the status of the internet connection. Go to the General Settings page in the Settings. On the left side, you can set up the internet connection. Select the LTE option and make sure that the access point name is set to Global. Return to the dashboard. Wait until the LTE stick has established an internet connection. This may take a while. Then start the activation request for the Connect box. The Connect box starts the request to the LEIBINGER Connect platform. Once the request to LEIBINGER Connect has been successfully completed, the serial number and TAN for activation in LEIBINGER Connect appear in the dialog box. Make a note of both the serial number and the TAN. Close the dialog box and log out of the Connect user interface. Disconnect the computer from port A of the Connect box. Connect the computer's network connection to the local network. Open a new tab in your browser and enter the address for LEIBINGER Connect in the address bar. Sign in to LEIBINGER Connect. If you do not yet have a user and tenant, sign up now. Once you have logged into LEIBINGER Connect, a dialog box for activating the Connect box will appear automatically. Enter the serial number, the TAN, and optionally a name for the Connect box in the input fields. Click the Add button. The activation process will run. A message will appear once the process has been successfully completed. You can find the Connect box and its current status on the Connect box page. The Connect box is now activated. As you can see on the printer list page, no printers are visible yet. To display your printers in LEIBINGER Connect, you must search for and activate the printers via the Connect box user interface. You can find out how to do this in the videos for step 2 of the commissioning process.